Hi, today I'm with my Asus ROG Phone 6D and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches and screen recording on this device. So first, let's open the settings and then scroll down to advanced settings. Then scroll to the screen recorder and you'll see here show without feedback section. So now we have selected here the touches. We could switch it to the touch tracks, to touch tracks and touches, and just to turn them off by tap to none option. So that's it. Also, we got one more way how we could launch the screen recorder settings. Just open first the control panel and find screen recorder icon. Hold it for a while and you'll see here the same screen recorder settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.